What happens if you have a Nissan or Infiniti and your car drive crap for some reason? You don't know. You change your transmission fluid, differential fluid, you change the oil change, you do many things in a car, but the car keep driving really bad. The car doesn't want to drive good, the car spend a lot of gas, and what the reason cause for these problems. So we gotta explain for you for each cars, like 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder. So first thing, let's start about the 6-cylinder. So for the 6-cylinder, I'm gonna show you many tricks if you want to fix this problem. Stay with me, guys. So many people, they be using a round gas to the V6 engine Nissan or Infiniti. If you have a Nissan or Infiniti, you've been using a round gas for the V6. Always look in the gas cap here. This says only premier gas for performance. This was required for V6. So V6 engines possibly have premier gas. If you've been using regular gas in this engine, your car gonna be drive really bad because you don't match the performance for the injection and the ECU. And the second thing, a lot of people you do, this is for the V6 and the 4-cylinder. A lot of people been driving the car when they have brake fluid really low. If you have a brake fluid low, you're gonna have a track control light on or brake lights on. What's happened after that is gonna be having the transmission losing communication with your EBS. So when you have that, the car gonna be start driving really bad. So always fill up the gas, the fuel for the brakes, and make sure always Nissan they burn a lot of oil. Burn the good oil on it. Full synthetic is all using for my cars. All the use, no problem. And the second thing, if you want to fix all this problem. So now I explain about the V6. What's the difference of V6? V6 always, some cars takes premier gas, so have to make sure if the car takes premier gas, don't never use regular gas because it's gonna mess up your performance, your injection get dirty, and the car gonna start driving really crap and doesn't give you horsepower. And if your brake fluid is low, either you have to add brake fluid. Is really important to your ABS match and your transmission doesn't track something wrong. So this is why you have to add some fluid. And now we're gonna show you how to fix the problem if you have the correct gas and you have the brake fluid is full. Nissan Comments and Infiniti, both of them, they have many problem. Is generally all the cars is like that. You have to reset the system. When you reset the system, sometimes the car drives crap, even you do the whole thing correctly, but for some reason the ECU like start collect a lot of data, really bad data, so we have to reset the system. For the 4-cylinder, don't worry about the premier gas. Must be like a 4-cylinder that takes regular gas, you don't have to worry about the premier gas. So Nissan Infiniti. So for the all Infiniti is rocket premier gas, you don't have choice. So now we're gonna show you how to fix the problem so the car start drive really better, more horsepower, and you don't have this issue anymore. But if you put regular gas, change to premier gas before you do this process. Stay with me, guys. So the process, guys, is really easy, and what you have to do, you have to go to the battery, go to the negative side of the battery, the black one. Don't touch the red because you gotta create some mobilizer, you don't want that. So you have to go to the black side, release it, and disconnect it for 10 minutes. When after 10 minutes, put it back, then start the car. After you start the car, let the car run at least for 15 minutes. So all this new information, you start going to collect on your ECU and watch the car gonna start driving really better, creates more horsepower, and this is what we're talking about. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like that, we're gonna show you more tricks. See you guys.